welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Selena Zenchak. In March of 2019, I discovered a miracle ingredient. After extensive research, I decided to go on the 30 days hair growth challenge. After my 14 days into the challenge, I decided to share it with the rest of the world. So I came and introduced it on YouTube. The growth I got from my first 14 days was mind-blowing. So I recorded a video and uploaded it on YouTube on April 3rd of 2019. As you can see for yourself, day 1 was my starting point after doing my second big chop on that same day. Day 14 was 14 days into the challenge, and day 30 was 30 days into the challenge. I will leave the full videos down in the description box for you to watch it. I'm starting off with half cup of our miracle ingredient, which is black rice. If you don't know anything about black rice, it is very healthy for both internal and your hair. Please make sure that you wash your rice first just to get anything else that is left on it from the factory. And then after, I'm just putting it in my pot and I'm adding 3 cups of distilled water to my pot, and I will bring my rice to a boil. Once you see that your black rice has burst open and the water is completely dark, you can also test it with your fingers to see how soft it is. And then that means your rice is ready. You can turn your stove off, wait for it to cool down, and then transfer it into your blender. Strongly note that the husk of black rice is left on. That is why it is very healthy more than white rice. Therefore, I would recommend that you blend your rice for more than 5 minutes, making sure that you are also using a muslin cloth or a cheesecloth to sift it up before using it on your hair. Being that the husk of black rice is left on, it leaves tiny particles on your hair, and if you do wear your hair out, then this is something that you wouldn't want on your hair. Apart from that, black rice is an amazing ingredient for hair growth. This is how my black rice is looking after blending it for 5 minutes. I'm now just going in with 1 ripe banana. If you are familiar with my channel, then you know I am a big fan of using banana on my hair. And I'm just going to blend this for another 2 minutes. I'm now going in with my moringa powder. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of moringa powder. And then I'm going in with my Siberian ginseng extra powder. This powder prevents hair thinning and hair breakage. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of that. Biotin can help hair to grow stronger and thicker. It is a B vitamin. I added in 1 teaspoon of that. And after, just give your mixture a good stir. If you find it to be too thick, you can always add regular water to it. But I put aside some of the black rice water. I'm just going to keep adding a bit to it until I find the perfect consistency. And this is how I love my product to be. Not too thick and also not runny. I'm now going in with my two growth oil. I'm using my S Secrets growth oil and my caffeine growth oil. Being that I use a lot of these oils, I always make them in big batches. So I'm just going to add 3 tablespoons of that to our miracle ingredient. I'm now just going in with few drops of eucalyptus essential oil just to help give it a good smell, because black rice have an exotic smell to it. And then after, our ingredient will be ready to use. I love to apply most of my treatment on clean hair so it can just better penetrate my hair shaft and also my scalp. I love the benefit from all the vitamins and nutrients this treatment has in it. And if your hair is very dirty or you use a lot of gel, that kind of block the treatment from entering. So I use my aloe vera shampoo to shampoo my hair. I will also leave that video down in the description box for you to check it out. I'm now just going to apply the treatment to my hair, and then I will also part my hair in smaller sections, making sure that I'm applying the treatment on every strand of my hair. Being that I made this treatment a little bit runny, I also have some towels that I put down just so I do not put this treatment all over my office. Black rice can easily replace white rice for hair care. It is a highly concentrated source of antioxidants. These antioxidants are present in large amounts in black rice. It is very high in fiber. Black rice is also gluten free and it has a good amount of protein ratio. Our hair is made of 91% of keratin, and that keratin is a protein which keep our hair strong and healthy. So we need that protein. One great advice I will give you is to check your hair porosity first before going all in with rice water. If you are high porosity, you can use this treatment once a week. And if you are low porosity, you can use it twice a month. guys see how long and thick my hair is getting? These DIY treatments are really working along with my growth oils. And consistency is key. So I just put my hair in a bun and then I'm going to cover it up with a plastic bag. I will sit under my steamer for 20 minutes and then I will leave the treatment on for 3 hours. After, I will just rinse the treatment out and then I will put my hair in braids using my caffeine and S Secrets growth oil, my aloe vera butter, and my carrot juice. If you love this video, do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram at Selena Zinchuk and also my business page at S Secrets 2018. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.